My name is Bas Berghout.
I'm Hanne Gijssen.
So I'm a filmmaker, I'm a director, producer, and I have my own production company.
I'm a graphic designer and I design websites, identities, and I also do animations.
We are in beautiful Delhi, New York, and Delhi is located about 3 hours north from New York City.
So we've been working remote for a very long time, and we really felt there was a need in Delhi for a co-working space.
This is Workstation. It's a co-working space, formerly a propane filling station, that we have acquired a year and a half ago and turned into a co-working space.
So the first thing that we knew when we started renovating was that we wanted a radiant heating floor with propane boilers, because that was the most efficient way to heat this big garage space, and it was also affordable.
Dan, our plumber, did an incredible job. It is very efficient and it works great for the space.
Both boilers in here are 120,000 BTU Rinnai combi boilers for the most efficiency we can get out of it. Radiant is just such a comfortable heat. Not only is the floor warm, you find you typically run a lower temperature, and everything that sits on that floor also absorbs that heat. Plus you gain the most efficiency out of your heating system. This community is very dependent on propane. So the nearest natural gas line to Delhi is about 21 miles away, and it's just not feasible to get it here at this point. And let's face it, propane is still a very clean burning product.
The building is located on a river island, which is kind of unique. It has water surrounding it on both sides.
Fuel oil could present a hazard. If there was ever a leak in the tank, it would find its way to that river. You certainly hope you're never going to have a leak with propane, but if you do, it's going to evaporate in the air, not cause any issues.
It's an old building, so we installed new insulated windows. We filled up our hollow walls with insulation, and then we spray foamed our attic just to keep that heat in here. We've done a pretty good job. I think the bills, utility bills over the winter, are far less than what we expected. I think what's unique about the co-working space is that there's a childcare center attached to it, and since we live in a childcare desert in this area, people commute pretty long to get their child in daycare. And so we offer a desk and a workspace for parents, so they drop off their kid, in the front of the building, and then they come in and work in the back.
So the island really became more than we had envisioned beforehand. Our kids are right up the hill in school. They walk to the island after school. They meet up with friends here. They're all parents gathering together after school, and we use the playground to catch up. So it's really great to see how much this become as a community hub for the town.